Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Framer website editor, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Framer website editor. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the Framer homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll find fields for your email and password. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your Framer account. Move to the next field and enter your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly by double-checking for typos. After entering your credentials, look for the login button on the page. Click the login button to submit your information. If your email and password are correct, you will be taken to the Framer editor dashboard. In case you forget your password, locate the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions sent to your email address to reset your password. Once logged in, you can start using the Framer website editor. If you have any issues logging in, check your internet connection. Also, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. Keep your login information secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.